My state president Surendran ji, when he filed his nomination from the Lok Sabha constituency Wayanad. As we all know, Wayanad is today seeing a battle within the India Alliance, where partners of the India Alliance are at loggerheads with regards to this Lok Sabha constituency. The question that arises from Wayanad is this, that an alliance that stands shattered, an alliance that has not pronounced its prime ministerial candidate, an alliance that has not indicated to the people of India what are the agendas and issues of development on which they seek to fight the election, is an alliance which is poised to fail. Today, on behalf of the Bharatiya Janata Party Kerala unit, I can reach out to the Honorable Prime Minister to tell him in the nomination rally of the state president, we saw hordes of citizens come out and express their support, not only for our candidate, but also appreciation for the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
But मैम राहुल का मानना है कि वायनाड के लोगों के साथ उनका कनेक्ट बहुत पुराना है।
मेरा ये मानना है कि कल कांग्रेस पार्टी के नामांकन रैली में मुस्लिम लीग के फ्लैग्स को छुपाना इस बात का संकेत है कि या तो राहुल गांधी मुस्लिम लीग के समर्थन से शर्मसार हैं, या फिर जब वो उत्तर भारत में आएंगे और मंदिर मंदिर जाएंगे तब लोगों से उत्तर भारत में मुस्लिम लीग के साथ उनके गठबंधन को छुपा पाएंगे। मैं केरला आकर और विशेषतः वायनाड आकर देखकर ये स्तब्ध हो गई हूँ, आश्चर्यचकित हूँ कि पीएफआई जैसी आतंकवादी संगठन के बैन के बावजूद पीएफआई के पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप से राहुल गांधी समर्थन अपने चुनाव के लिए ले रहे हैं। आज नॉमिनेशन में हम सब जानते हैं कि एक प्रत्याशी को, एक कैंडिडेट को ओथ ऑफ एलिजेंस टू द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लेने की दरकार पड़ती है। तो राहुल गांधी संविधान के प्रति अपने ओथ को झुठला चुके हैं जब उन्होंने पीएफआई की पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप से समर्थन अपने चुनाव के लिए लिया। मुस्लिम लीग के समर्थन से अगर राहुल गांधी इतने शर्मसार हैं कि अपनी नॉमिनेशन रैली में मुस्लिम लीग का वो ध्वज छिपा रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर इतने शर्मसार हैं तो उन्हें मुस्लिम लीग का भी समर्थन ठुकरा देना चाहिए। Today I am absolutely jubilant to be a part of the nomination rally of my state president. The issue is that who is the prime ministerial candidate of the India Alliance? Is Rahul Gandhi acceptable? So this is an India Alliance which does not have a neta, which does not have a niti, and its niyat is to loot. That is known by every Indian citizen.
Do you think that Anil Raja and Rahul Gandhi is having a friendly banter?
Well, there is a hugging in Delhi and a begging in Kerala, which needs to be explained. Why is it that when the alliance partners come together for a rally in the national capital, there seems to be no animosity, but when it comes to the seat of Wayanad, there is this competition that is taking place. If the alliance was intact, would the alliance have two separate candidates in Wayanad? And if the alliance is a non-starter to begin with, can then the Congress claim any kind of victory, electoral or moral, with regards to the Congress leadership and the alliance that it comes about? मेरा ये मानना है कि कल राहुल गांधी ने जिस प्रकार से मुस्लिम लीग के ध्वजों को, फ्लैग्स को अपनी नॉमिनेशन रैली में छुपाया है, तो निश्चित रूप से वो इस चुनाव में इस पड़ाव को पार करने के बाद उत्तर भारत आएंगे। आई थिंक दैट इट इज फूल हार्डी टू हाइड फैक्ट्स फ्रॉम द पीपल इन द एज ऑफ not only media but also digital media and social media revolution. People, be it in Amethi or Wayanad, know and the Congress stands exposed. The question is that Rahul Gandhi that creates animosity against Sanatan Dharma when he does politics in the south of India, why then does he go to every temple of repute in the north of India when he wants to fight an election?
Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi said that this fight is for protect constitution and democracy.
If according to Rahul Gandhi the fight is to protect the constitution, then why is he taking support of terrorist organizations, political leadership to fight his own constituency?
Then why BJP is not restricting the SDPI here?
Why BJP is unable
The
to
Bharatiya
prohibit them?
Janata Party led government in the center has already banned the PFI. The
Why
question is,
FCPI?
why is Rahul Gandhi not coming out strongly in support of the ban of PFI, and why is Rahul Gandhi still courting the political leadership of PFI?
Ma'am, how do you see
India Alliance members.
what would BJP do differently for
They have
Wayanad?
blamed the center for the animal-human conflict in Wayanad. This is a raging issue.
I think that with an absentee MP like Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad, the people of Wayanad need to recognize that Wayanad has been declared an aspirational district by the Honorable Prime Minister of India. I, as a member of the Union Cabinet, had the privilege of coming and looking at the work done under the aspirational district program in Wayanad. It is unfortunate that the MP of Wayanad did not have then the time to look at issues with regards to the aspirational district. But I am not surprised. Amethi had seen him as an absentee MP for over a decade. Today, as Amethi's MP, I can proudly say that in 5 years, Amethi now has a collectorate office which Rahul Gandhi could not build. Amethi has a blood bank which Rahul Gandhi could not make. Amethi did not have a dialysis center, did not have a medical college. Amethi did not have a police line. Today Amethi has all of those facilities only in 5 years because the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate won from Amethi. The question is, if the Gandhi family says that the constituency of Amethi has been their family for 50 years, who changes families? Do you? So they have deceived the people of Amethi, now they hope to deceive the people of Wayanad, and that is why two questions that are confronting the voters of Wayanad. If Amethi was family for 50 years, why did they desert that family? Amethi today, we have seen building of 1,14,000 homes for over 4 lakh citizens. If Amethi was home to the Gandhis, why did 4 lakh citizens in Amethi not have a home? Amethi today, in the last 5 years, has received 4 lakh water tap connections. If every family has 4 members in a family, why did 16 lakh people in Amethi not have drinking water in their home if Gandhis called it family for 50 years? Amethi now has over 3.5 to 4 lakh toilets individually built for families. Why is it that over 15 to 16 lakh people in Amethi did not have even a basic toilet in their homes? This was a constituency that Gandhis called family for 50 years, and this is the ruin that they left it in. The question is, who changes family? Who runs away from family? Well, Gandhis do.
Will Amethi in the Wayanad?
I am
Can you
here
hold
to tell every Bharatiya Janata Party karyakarta and supporter in Wayanad. I am just a normal karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I defeated Rahul Gandhi when he was the Indian National Congress Party National President. So if a regular Samanya karyakarta, simple karyakarta of BJP can defeat the Congress president in Amethi, which is a Congress bastion for 5 decades, then miracles can happen.
But in
even
the past,
in the issue is Wayanad was a compulsion for Rahul Gandhi. It was not a matter of choice. He ran from Amethi. He did not make Wayanad his first choice. The question is this. He called Amethi his family for 5 decades. They abandoned their family. And that is the fate that will await Wayanad if Wayanad starts believing that Wayanad is family for Rahul Gandhi. They have lied before, they will lie again.
Ma'am, the Congress have been stating that Kerala is the last island of secularism, and the BJP is trying to break it. How do you respond to that?
I am of the opinion that the left leadership and the Congress party is in an unholy alliance. Be it scams in the cooperative banks in Kerala, be it mismanagement of state funds, the silence of Rahul Gandhi especially against the misgovernance of the left and the misgovernance of his alliance partners speaks volumes. Rahul Gandhi would rather have power than have good governance.
Ma'am, how scared of contesting from other things?
I can only say this. Wayanad was not his first choice.
Okay.
Last election, Wayanad was a compulsion for him. But this time, the fact that he is hiding Muslim League flags, what does that tell you? Is Wayanad his last destination? Only he can give the clarification.
How did you receive Surjewala's statement on Hema Malini?
The Congress party and the misogyny of its leaders, especially against women in politics, is a directive given by the Gandhi family. No congressman or woman has the audacity to enrage and outrage the modesty of a woman unless they feel that they will be deeply and duly rewarded by the Gandhi family. The misogyny that has been sponsored and led by the Gandhi family now is spouted from the mouths and social media accounts of many a Congress mid-level leadership. The issue is the people of Hema Malini ji's constituency will give a resounding reply to the kind of misogynistic statements made against her. The question is this the Shakti Rahul Gandhi said he will destroy? Reputations of women, character assassination of women politicians. Is this the politics of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra?
Surjewala is saying that BJP IT cell has edited the video of the whole video.
He has said what he has said, and this is not the first time. Many a congressmen and women have used misogynistic slurs against political female opponents. And that is why Congress is reduced to the sorry state it is today.